Earlier this week, the World Health Organization expresses concern about the rising number of cases in India. It expresses concern, especially about the fact that the new cases that is coming in India is coming from the rural parts of the country, which may not have the same healthcare infrastructure as the urban areas and might struggle to manage the disease. Mike Ryan, who is the head of emergency preparedness of the World Health Organization, in a query to Economic Times on Monday evening's press conference, said that India is definitely going through a challenging period. This is what Mike Ryan had to say.
Certainly in India, there's been a 35% increase in cases in the last week and over 25% increase in deaths. And as I said, India is really trying to beef up its testing regime. It's aiming for 1 million tests a day, which is huge, but it's getting there slowly at 600,000 a day. The worrying aspect of this is that the positivity rate continues to increase and is now at about 12.5%. So it does demonstrate that the disease is still circulating intensely. As I said, India is a very large country. It depends on where you are, like it does in all big federal states, but the disease is moving around. It's moving from rural to or urban to rural, back to urban. It's circulating efficiently in the population and clearly having a major impact in terms of cases and deaths.
If you look at the number of cases that is coming in India right now, and the total addition of active cases that is coming to the rest of India, it is coming from states like Andhra, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, Assam. These were the states which had not shown such high number of cases earlier. Now the biggest worry is that for any public health professional whom we have spoken to, they say that what happens is when these states become overwhelmed with the number of cases coming up. Do they have enough healthcare infrastructure? Do they have enough beds to treat people? Do they have enough testing capacity to test in mass numbers? Do they have enough oxygen cylinders? Do they have enough ventilators, which are one of the most crucial things needed if and when a person gets hospitalized due to COVID? These are the concerns. Even otherwise, India's rural health infrastructure has struggled over the years. And with COVID, that issue becomes even more complicated. What happens now is that as these states see new cases, the public health officials offer the similar advice that states should continue to test aggressively. The testing kits are no longer in shortage. We have evidence of testing kits in the country. What we need to do is ramp up labs in these states, in areas which do not have the capacity to do tests, ramp up the hospital beds so that patients get treated. And this is something that's going to be the next leg of India's COVID-19 challenge as the disease moves beyond urban areas, beyond big cities to these small centers.